Today I'm going to show you how to create an account with Little Discoveries so that you can book classes as well as camps. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to littlediscoveries.org. Then you're going to click on Classes. This classes will show you all the classes that we have available, all the different camps, as well as the new Create Your Own where you can purchase a pass and then look for different classes and select the ones that you'd like. So today we're going to look at Camp Discovery. You'll see the dates and the times listed as well as the activities for this specific camp. You'll also see the locations for each activity. If this is the one that you'd want to enroll your child in, you would hit Register Now. Once you click on Register Now, it'll prompt you to create an account. What you're going to do is enter your information, your first name, your last name, as well as your email address. Then you're going to click Sign Up. Now, in order for this to work, you need to activate it from your email account. So you will get an email from them, Wellness Living, a registration option, registration service, and it'll say Activate Account. Go ahead and click on Activate Account. Once it does that, it'll prompt you to enter your information. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to enter a password. Then you're going to enter an address. Then the city that you live in. You're going to put in your zip code and your phone number. Next, it's going to ask for your date of birth. This is more for your child than it is for you. You can put your information here if you'd like, but the year really doesn't matter. Does your child have any special needs, medical or sensory issues? If so, please describe. So if they do not have any issues, you can just hit no there. And these are instructions, but we're going through this in this video, so we don't have to really read this right now. And then it just says leave the location field listed below, select location, so we'll do that, and we're just going to click that box that we saw it. Then you can also enter who referred you. Next, we're going to see the Little Discoveries liability form. It will not allow you to go on and create your account until this has been signed. Also, you'll see a photo and video release for your child. Once you have read this and you agree to it, you can go ahead and sign your name electronically. Now, of course, it's going to be a little messy, but that's just fine. Next, you're going to hit Create My Account. So once we click on that, it will just be a minute for it to process. Oh, and I forgot to select the gender. Again, that's more about for your child than it is for you specifically. Next, what you're going to see is what we use for the Create Your Own program. You're going to see a list of different classes as well as some different dates, different ages, and you can filter through and you can select which programs you're interested in to see what's available, or you can even look through here at different dates or times that you're interested in. And it'll filter it through, so you'll see that later on in the summer we have dance that's going to be offered. So you can go up here, and this is the Create Your Own program, but if we want to select one of the camps, we can go here. But before we do any of that, we're going to go into our profile. In this profile, you have the option to add a family member. So I'm considered the parent. So we're going to click on Add Family Member so that we register for our child and not for ourselves. This client is a child. So we're going to enter the child's information now. And we're going to say that they have the same first and last name. We're going to use the email address. And we're going to use the same address that was used earlier. We still have to enter the phone number one more time, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Now when it says date of birth, it's the date of birth for your child this time. And this is what we're most interested in. And then we will mark whether our child has any special needs. Click on Important Instructions, and we'll leave the location the same. And then we're going to click on Create an Account. So, as you can see here, we now have an account created for the child, and then it's going to ask us if we want different communication here, whether we want push notifications, email reminders, some text messages. So once we've clicked on what we would like, it's going to ask us to update again. Then you just click Update Account, and you should be all set. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the profile right here. You're going to go down and it's going to see the option right here, your profile, book now, rewards, or Jane. And Jane is considered my daughter here, so I'm going to switch to her account. That way, whatever I booked from her account will be on her account. So now I'm signing the liability form just one more time. And this is saying I approve of it for my child. And we go through the whole thing. The photo release is also there. And then we're going to go through and we're going to sign it one more time. And we're going to go ahead and agree to that. Now we're in our child's account. So when we book anything, whether it's a camp or it's a different class pass, we're booking it on behalf of our child and not ourselves. If at any point you want to go back to yourself personally, you can click there and you can go back to your name. So now we're in the child's account and you can go to the store. In the store is where you're going to find all the different options for Camp Discovery, all of the different camp options, as well as like the adventure passes if you want to do the create your own program. We also have a pass now where you can do horseback riding plus 3 other classes. So we're going to go back because we said we wanted Camp Discovery. So we're going to click on that one. And then we're going to go ahead. We're going to make sure that information is the same that we had looked at earlier, and it is. So we're going to go ahead and add that to the cart. We're going to go ahead and you can proceed to checkout, and you would go through the payment information. Once that's actually all done and you have processed it, you will be able to go back to My Schedule and you'll be able to see that it's been booked. Now here I have not booked it, but you'll see it here and you'll be able to see for your child the upcoming schedule that they have. So if you've actually booked over a 4-class pass, you'll see all the different class options that they have available. If you want to go back and see it once more and see all the different options, you can go back to Book Now and see all the different options that are available. And once again, you just want to make sure you're on your child's account when you're booking these classes so that when you attend these classes, they know that it's for your child and not for you, and they have the proper name on the attendance sheet. And you can book these classes right there. And once you click Book Now, it's going to tell you, it's going to encourage you to purchase the option for your child. So you can either purchase here for the class passes or you can go to the store and purchase there. So that is how you create an account so that you can continue and you proceed to check out, and you'll be able to just put your credit card information and you will receive an email confirmation. So that is how we go through the process. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to go back to the website and watch this video again. Thanks so much.